Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the removal of my Zala taping hair extensions. I'm going to show you how I take them out. If you watched my previous video, you would have seen me put them in and seen how excited I was when I got them. Now, this is my first time wearing Zala hair extensions. I'm not impressed. I really am. I'm so upset. I've just paid over probably £500 for this hair, right? Because by the time you pay for shipping and tax, because it comes all the way from Australia, and I'm gutted. Honestly, I am gutted because it tangles up, and I mean, I've already had the hair in probably about 3 weeks and I've already had enough, so I'm taking it out and it's gonna go in the bin. It really is. It's going in the bin because look at it. I mean, the hair already feels like straw. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just disgusting. I can't cope with it. Look, you can tell where my hair is. Now, I bought 5 packs thinking that it's going to be 250 grams and I'm going to be fine. Comparing this hair to the Beauty Works hair, even if I wasn't comparing it to the Beauty Works hair, it's awful. Keep away. Like, I don't know how many videos I've watched telling me that Zala hair extensions are really good. Hence I was buying them. Hence I bought them. I don't know, maybe I'm fussy, but it just gets knotted. It just gets really knotted. And on top of that, it looks and feels like straw. It looks fake. I mean, I'm not happy. I'm really not happy. So now I'm just going to take them out and go back to my normal natural black hair. So what you'll need is Zala tape solvent to take them out, and I'm going to show you how to take them out. Okay, so now that I've shown you how to do one piece, it's pretty basic. So I'm going to carry on and continue to do my whole head. Now, I just wanted to quickly pause and show you, you don't lose much hair. In fact, you don't lose anything. Right, if you can tell, those couple of strands there are my own hair, but that's about it. This is by far the safest method to use. Just don't buy Zala hair extensions. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, hi guys, I'm back now and I've taken out all the extensions. My hair feels fine, like, yeah, it's not too bad. So basically what I need to do now is, once you've taken it all out, you may have a little bit of residue left in your hair. Not as bad as when you have the actual glue tracks of hair in your head, because that glue is sticky and it stays in your head because it goes on your scalp. It remains there and it's hard to get out. Whereas this tape in hair glue, it's really good. Like, honestly, I don't get no problems taking it out. So yeah, you could always just go through your hair you can always go through your hair in individual sections and then just comb out the residue with a comb. But to be honest, I don't feel like I need to do that. What I do is I put on a good oil. So I usually drench my hair all over with castor oil, leave it overnight, and then in the morning I'll wash it off and I'll comb through it in the shower with a tail comb. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put the hair... I'm going to put the castor oil on today and just leave it for about 20 minutes, maybe half an hour, and then just jump straight into the bath. Because I know that there's not much in there. I did a good job of taking it all out. So yeah, and oh, it's so great to just run your hair and hands through your hair. Okay, cool. Okay guys, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.